What up, YouTube? As you can see, it's soaking out, absolutely soaking. I've been waiting for it to rain like this. Go slide, get some clips for you guys. I don't have the best setup, but you know, you'll be able to get a nice little POV, I guess. But completely stock 240 SX, as you may know from my other videos. As I get this damn El Camino out, woo, this thing slides. Yeah, that thing 305 come alive, man. It slides pretty good, believe it or not. I can find some nice little spots to go slide, then I may have some of my buddies come out, but we'll see about that. It's kind of hit or miss. This thing's pretty damn loud. I need to throw my exhaust back on it, my muffler. Like I said, it's straight piped as of now. Without further ado, we're gonna get in here and go on a little. This isn't gonna be the best position, but it'll work for now, I think. Let's see here. I might go grab my other GoPro, see if it's charged up, and so I can get some other clips, a different POV while recording with this. All my diamonds black. You can. Start vibrating all that other shit, but we'll see. So, come on. But I've been kind of wanting to. I need to get some better equipment for vlogging and everything, or for just filming in general. And as in better equipment, I really just need to run up to Walmart, bite the bullet, and buy some more camera mounts for my GoPro. Yeah, there's just a lot of tops everywhere. Yeah. So, then it gets to a point, and this thing's loud as hell, so, you know, not very good. Woo, she's trying to slide out that, dude. This road's wet, real wet. All around here, but you know, you don't get to slide too much, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little too much flick, huh? Kept breaking loose on me. Like I said, this thing, it don't got no weld or diff or nothing. I mean, you just gotta hold the angle. Which ain't, I mean, it's not that crazy. Here, one of these days, I'm gonna get my buddy Devin in this damn thing. You don't drive, you don't know how to drive manual. We ride together and all that all the time. But like I said, he loves this thing, teach him how to drive manual, and then he'll be sliding this too. I want all my buddies, I want him to, I mean, most of them have already drove it, but like I said, he's never drove manual before, so I've never even asked them. But I'm gonna make a whole video out of it. I think it'll be pretty cool. Let's go our wheel, okay? A little loose, and I didn't. But I'd like to turbo it. I thought so many times if I should just swap it or turbo it, but what I'm gonna turbo it first, just because there's not that, it's a 4-banger first off, and I mean, a lot of people, I don't know, it's a single cam, I don't know, there's just not a lot of people who don't have much love for them. There's not much info on, well, there is a lot of info online on the KAT.org or whatever, but YouTube wise and all that, I mean, not that I could find, at least there might be a small YouTuber somewhere, someone like me fucking making videos on it, but haven't found them yet. I would love this thing just to, I mean, it doesn't need crazy power. It's already super fun. That's why I haven't really done anything to it yet. I'm not bored of it. You know, I mean, I don't know. I need to look into where people race, because I like drifting and stuff, but I also like track driving. But really just the track in general. I don't know where any track is around here, but you know, I mean, it's not hard to find one Google search away. But I don't know. So that's why I'm over here fucking driving in the back roads, shit like that, finding places. Shit, I guess we can turn left here. Buddy, I'm sorry, don't leave me, if you dig what I'm saying. One of the boys been pulled up on me. He's a pouty though. He's got a nice little Stang, but Xander said he's gonna pull up. We about to see him spin a little something. I didn't. Yeah. What? Shit. I'm over here trying to bark at it, but When Aiden when Xander pulls up, I'll go pull over there and we'll chop it up with him. That bitch real fast. Yeah, let him work something now, did it? Hell yeah, boy. Hey, I know people over here be getting shitty as fuck.
Oh God.
I know.
Especially once you start causing smoke.
Oh, bro.
Start getting shitty.
Well, shit, I'm about to spin this bitch one time and get up out of here because I'm gonna go eat.
Where you going to eat at?
Shit, where you wanna go?
I'm on whatever.
I ain't crying, the wind is flying, stop making it.
Shit, alright, bet. What all the shit. Little nasty little Johnnies.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Pop your shit up and show me your interior real fast now, didn't it? Sheesh. Done by the man himself?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Come on now, didn't it?
Try to keep her clean, you know?
We gonna post up here soon for another video with Anthony. You ain't met our my boy Anthony yet. That's coming here soon with his Lexus. But I'm gonna end it here.
That shit mean, just know.
Just know it is mean. He's gonna slide that bitch right into a pole. I told him that. Nah, I'm lying. I'm lying like hell, but shit, I need to pull these damn gay stickers off too, cause I ain't from Illinois. Fuck Illinois.
No, I need. Mine are damn near cold, but
nah, you
I'm
feel me?
thinking about
Nice,
taking them off.
bruh. Hey, you know we put on for nice guys, Zane and Hayden.
Yeah,
shout out them boys.
Fuck is you doing?
Fuck is he there? But all right then, we out.
Yes, sir.